Standard threaded M12 connectors are great until you have to install 100 of them and your wrist feels like it's about to fall off from all the twisting. That's why my tired wrists recommend Phoenix Contact's M12 Push-Pull Connectors for fast and robust connections with a secure single-click locking mechanism that provides clear feedback to confirm proper engagement. They're compatible with push-pull and threaded connectors and can reduce installation time by up to 80% while still withstanding significant shock and vibration. Countersunk M12 ports also allow for flush integration with the housing and higher packing density, enabling more compact devices. They're also offered as flying leading with locking options. Phoenix Contact M12 Push-Pull Connectors are available with current ratings up to 16 amps, voltage ratings up to 1.5 kilovolts AC, and IP ratings up to IP69K, providing exceptional versatility in automotive, industrial machinery, factory automation, and railway applications.